Hello, Miss Lori. Hello, Dr. McCain. Nancy Schaff here. I am going to show you guys one of the lessons from my ESOL work sample. The unit as a whole is 10 lessons long, and it is designed around a song that Lori had introduced me to while I was still doing my practicum hours with her. The song is called Found a Peanut, and this song is very, very successful in helping children learn past tense verbs, regular past tense verbs, and irregular past tense verbs. But for most of my lessons, I focus on regular past tense verbs. And with that, the suffix ed and the three sounds that suffix makes. All of these lessons are tailored to 1st through 3rd grade, but they are flexible in being able to be tweaked a little bit for 1st, 2nd, or 3rd. I did find standards for all of those grades for each of the lessons, so that way it could be used in various different classrooms and settings. Looking at the lessons, I actually decided to show you guys lesson 2 instead of lesson 1. Lesson 1 introduces the children to the ed suffix, that when we see ed at the end of an action word, that it means the action has already happened, it's past. And then the three sounds that it makes. We have, forgive me, it's late. We have t, id, and d. Those are the three sounds that all of these lessons are based off of. So for the first lesson, they've gotten a little bit of background, and for the second lesson, we introduced the song. So that's why I really wanted to share the second lesson with you guys. The second lesson has an objective of students will be able to identify 3 sounds of ed in regular past tense verbs, and that's what I got. So with that, let's go ahead and jump in. And good morning, boys and girls. I want to show you guys a new song. This song is really, really fun and interesting, and I think you guys are going to like it because it is all about a peanut. So I'll sing it to you guys. I want you guys to sit down, listen, and then we're going to talk a little bit more about it. So we have verse 1, found a peanut. I found a peanut, found a peanut, found a peanut yesterday. Yesterday I found a peanut yesterday. Did you guys like that song? You want me to do it again? Okay. I found a peanut, found a peanut, found a peanut yesterday. Yesterday I found a peanut yesterday. So here you can see that I have highlighted the word found. And talking about yesterday, found is a past tense verb. And I want to, with you guys today, to try to find some other words. Remember we talked about synonyms, words that can mean the same thing or almost the same thing. I want to try to find some other words for found that we can use in this song still that mean close to the same thing, but that are other past tense words that we can look at together. So, what does found mean? I found a peanut. Found means to, like, discover something. We could discover it. We could find it. So I do have the word discovered as one of our other words to use here. So let's just put it in there and see what it sounds like. I discovered a peanut, discovered a peanut, discovered a peanut yesterday. Yesterday I discovered a peanut yesterday. Do you guys like discovered? What are some other words that we could do? Discovered could also mean found. It could also mean spotted. I spotted a peanut. You could spot a peanut. It could be maybe hiding under something. You could spot it, or you could be walking and see it out of the corner of your eye and spot it. Just like found or discovered. Let's try spotted. I spotted a peanut, spotted a peanut, spotted a peanut yesterday. Yesterday I spotted a peanut yesterday. I like spotted. So let's talk about discovered and spotted first really quick. When I say discovered, what do you hear at the end? We talked about the 3 sounds that ED makes yesterday. What do you think discovered sounds like? Does it sound like id? Or does it sound like t? Or does it sound like the D sound? Discovered. Yes, the D sound. So when we look at spotted, what do you hear? Do you hear d? Spotted, d? No. Do you hear the t? Spotted, id? No. We hear the id, the id, spotted. Let's do a couple more. Any other words that you guys can think of for spotted or found or discovered? What are some other words that could mean to see it somewhere or to find it? Noticed is another word. We could notice a peanut while walking. You could be walking along and all of a sudden notice a peanut over there on the ground that maybe somebody dropped or maybe just appeared from a magic genie. I don't know. But we can notice or noticed a peanut yesterday. And then we can also maybe identify. We could see something off in the distance and wonder what it is. And then as we got closer, we could identify that it was a peanut, or discover that it was a peanut, or spotted a peanut. Those are all closely related words, all relating to, or all words that could mean that we found it out on a walk. So let's try noticed and identified. That's a big one, huh? Identified. That's a new word for all of you. Let's do that one first. I identified a peanut yesterday. Yesterday I identified a peanut yesterday. Noticed? Let's do noticed. I noticed a peanut yesterday. Yesterday I noticed a peanut yesterday. Okay, now let's talk about identified. Identified. What do you guys hear at the end of identified? Do you hear t, id, or d? D, t, id. Identified. Yes, it is the d sound, the D. Identified. What about noticed? Noticed. It's the T sound, noticed. So that one is a T. The ED sound at the end of that one makes the T sound. I have one more that I can think of, and it is uncovered. Could you be walking around maybe, and instead of found a peanut or noticed a peanut, could you have uncovered a peanut? Maybe you were sitting on a park bench and you accidentally kicked a rock with your toe and you uncovered a peanut. Maybe there's a peanut hidden there. That would be the same as if you had found the peanut there or you discovered the peanut under the rock. It is also another synonym for found. So let's try it one more time with uncovered. I uncovered a peanut yesterday. Yesterday I uncovered a peanut, yesterday. That's pretty fun, huh? Uncovered, 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 uncovered. What do you guys hear? T. Id, uncovered, uncovered. D, that's the D sound, correct. Okay, so now that we have identified, that is also a past tense verb. Now that we have identified some new vocabulary, I want to give you all this little worksheet so we can sort them. So that way, at the end of all of this, we can make a cute little book for you guys to take home so you will always have the song with you. So we're going to sort our new words, and I'm going to give you guys all a sheet here, and we are going to cut them out and we are going to sort them together. And then I will have you guys glue them down. So let's start with located. Located. What did you guys think for the ending sound on located? It has an ED on it. It's a past tense verb, a regular past tense verb. And which column do you think located goes in? Does it go in located, the D, located, T, or located, 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 located. Yes, you are correct. It goes in the D. So let's do noticed next. Noticed. Probably shouldn't do this at 12:30. Noticed. A T, correct. Noticed is going to go in the T column. That ED sound is a T. What about identified? Identified. Identified. Yes, the D column. Identified. Good job. And then we have uncovered. 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 The D one again. Yes. A lot of these are in the D section. Uncovered. Okay, discovered, uncovered. I didn't even notice that. So if uncovered went in the D section, where do you think discovered will go? Yes, it will also go in the D. ED, that sounds like D. Now we have spotted, 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 spotted. Where do you think spotted goes? And the ID section, yes, ID makes id, spotted. So when we look at our little worksheet here, it looks like we have 4 in the D section, 1 in the T section, notice, and 1 in the ID section, spotted, id. Very nice. So let's go through and each and every one of you can pick which one is your favorite and we will sing it with your favorite one. Okay, somebody picked uncovered. So we will sing it again with uncovered while you guys all cut and clue because I was extremely fast at it. I uncovered a peanut, uncovered a peanut, uncovered a peanut yesterday. Yesterday, I uncovered a peanut yesterday. Who wants to pick another one? Located, okay. I located a peanut, yesterday. Yesterday, I located a peanut yesterday. Those can be a mouthful. Can anybody think of any other words for found? Are there any other synonyms we can think of? When you think of discovering and noticing or spotting, When you think of finding that peanut, what are some other words that might work that you guys can think of? And we can add them to our list. Nobody thought of any. Okay. So now that you guys have cut them and glued them together, I want to sing it one more time with found. Found is not a regular past tense verb, but it is still a past tense verb. It is an irregular past tense verb, which means it changed when it previously happened. But let's sing it one more time with found. I found a peanut, found a peanut, found a peanut yesterday. Yesterday I found a peanut yesterday. And we will dive a little bit more into synonyms and a little bit more into the irregular past tense verbs, but those are on a different day. But I wanted to show you guys our new song because we're going to be using this song in a lot of different ways, and this is just the beginning of our new song, Found a Peanut. So, before anybody can leave, ticket out the door, everybody has to tell me one past tense verb and the ED sound it makes. And yes, you can use the ones we just did today. So each and every one of you needs to pick one. Located, okay. And which sound does that make? D, d. Good job, located. D, d, d. And somebody else? Noticed. And what sound does that make? T, 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 t. Very good. And one more. Spotted. And what sound does that one make? Id, spotted. Very nice. So we will go ahead and put our stuff away and then we will work on it again tomorrow. That's what I have.